Hi students, now let us study the concept of exploring the forces. Exploring the forces means let us study about the details regarding the forces. And forces are mainly of two types. I said that the forces are mainly of two types. The first one is the balanced forces and second one is the unbalanced forces. What is meant by balanced forces and what is meant by unbalanced forces? Now let us study. Balanced forces means these are the forces acted on an object equally from all the directions. Balanced forces are the forces which are acted or which are applied on an object equally by equal amount from all the directions. And here in case of the balanced forces, no change in the position of the object will be observed. The observation of the balanced forces is no change in the position of the object. Object remains as it is, remains in its original position. It will not show any displacement. But in case of the unbalanced forces, the forces are applied on an object unequally from the opposite directions on an object. And the object shows, in case of the unbalanced forces, the object shows a displacement in the direction of the greater amount of the applied force. Greater amount of the applied force. For the example for this is, think a wooden block from the side A, the force is applied 10 Newton, and from side B, a force is applied 5 Newton. Onto the wooden block. So here these are the unbalanced forces. F1 and F2 are said to be unbalanced forces just because these are unequal. F1 is 10 Newton and F2 is 5 Newton. And here in this case the wooden block shows the displacement, or it moves from A towards B. So these are called as unbalanced forces. The change in the position of object in the direction of the application of the greater force. Here F1 is greater than F2. F1 is called as greater force. And the wooden block shows the displacement from the side A towards the side B. So these are called as unbalanced forces and these are called as balanced forces. In case of the balanced forces, no change in the position of the object will be observed. And here in case of the unbalanced forces, the change in the position of the object will be observed. So this is the explanation regarding the balanced and unbalanced forces, and a 2-mark question will definitely come in the examination to write the differences between the balanced and the unbalanced forces. Or sometimes 1-mark question will come in the exam on only to define the balanced forces or only to